What if learning how to flourish your hand lettering didn't have to be so hard? I don't think it has to be, and that is precisely why I made this class. My name is Alyssa. I am the enthusiastic artist behind Lyssa's Letters, and I get super excited to share what I've learned about art and creativity with others through my Skillshare classes and videos on YouTube and Instagram. In this class on Flourishing, I'm going to show you just how easy and fun it is to learn to make flourishes and to add them to your lettering and calligraphy. You will learn all of the essentials for creating beautiful, well-balanced flourishes that you can use when creating greeting cards for birthdays and holidays, when making artwork to post on social media or to give as a gift to a loved one, or for calligraphy for weddings and other special events. In each of the lessons that follow, we'll be breaking down what exactly makes up a flourish and how and where do we add flourishes to a word. I'll share my own personal do's and don'ts for flourishing, and I'll demonstrate flourishing on tons of sample words in every lesson. There is something for everyone in this class. You can be a complete beginner and will learn the fundamentals of flourishing step by step. However, individuals at any level, even those who have years of experience with hand lettering and calligraphy, will be able to take something away from this class. You certainly won't want to miss out on the free printable packet of more than 35 worksheets that are provided as a resource for this class. You'll have access to all of the flourishes I teach you in the class, the sample words I demonstrate, plus a whole bunch of bonus flourishes and words. As a final project, you will be flourishing a word or name of your choice using the skills you've gained throughout the course. I'm super excited to start this journey of flourishing with you. I'll see you in class.